Welcome to the intricate process of conducting scientific investigations, a journey that melds curiosity with rigorous methodology. Here, we delve into how scientists transform a simple question into a structured inquiry, leading to meaningful discoveries. Let's unpack each step of this fascinating process. The journey begins with a clear question and a hypothesis. Consider a team of environmental scientists pondering the effects of urban pollution on local bird populations. They observe changes in bird behavior and hypothesize that increased pollution alters their nesting patterns. This hypothesis, based on initial observations, guides the direction of their investigation. Setting up the experiment is a symphony of precision and control. The scientists select different urban areas, varying in pollution levels, and begin monitoring bird activities in each. They maintain consistent monitoring methods across all areas to ensure comparability. In contrast to observational studies, this controlled setup allows the scientists to isolate the effects of pollution from other variables like urban noise or light. Observation over time is key. Over the months, the scientists meticulously record bird behaviors, nest locations, and population numbers. They use a variety of tools, from binoculars to audio recorders, capturing a comprehensive picture of the bird's urban life. This extended observation period is critical, as it reveals trends and patterns that short-term studies might miss. Once the data is gathered, analysis begins. The scientists use statistical tools to sift through their data, looking for correlations between pollution levels and bird behaviors. Do areas with higher pollution show different nesting patterns? Are there changes in population numbers? This analysis is crucial, transforming raw data into actionable insights. Scientific investigations, like the one we described, are more than just experiments, they are narratives of discovery. Each step, from hypothesis formulation to data analysis, is woven together to reveal answers to our initial questions. These investigations allow us to probe deeper into the natural world, testing our assumptions and continually expanding our understanding. In science, conducting investigations is both an art and a discipline. It requires creativity to formulate hypotheses and design experiments, combined with the discipline to follow rigorous methodologies and analyze data objectively. As we embark on these investigative journeys, we uncover the layers of complexity in our natural world, each discovery adding to the mosaic of scientific knowledge.